Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist, any playlist like you want song playlist. You can create a song playlist or any another playlist in just 1 minute. So you can see the YouTube. So just click on the library option. So you can see I just click on library option. So you can see lots of options here. Just you can see the second last option is new playlist. So you just have to create a new playlist. Just click on the new playlist. So I click on new playlist. Just you have to name this playlist. So just like English songs. After that you have to just click on the privacy option. If you want your playlist see anyone can see, search for and view, then you can click on public. If you want just only you can view this playlist, so you just click on private. After that you just click on the create option. So your new playlist English song is just ready for this. So right now I am just going to any English video, English songs. Just you can see I want to add Wiz Khalifa See You Again video on my new playlist English song. So just click on the Wiz Khalifa. See, you can see the three dots here. Just click on three dots. Click on three dots. Then you can see two option, three, fourth option. Second option is save to playlist. Just click on save to playlist. After that you can see all the playlist you just created on this count. So just I click on the second option English song and click on done. So after that you can go to your library and you can see English songs. Just click on English song. You can see here your video is added in your new playlist English song. So this is very simple method to add videos and to create a new playlist category. So see you again in next video. If you like my video then please subscribe to my channel for like these videos daily.